Alright, dude. What are we doing to the Camaro today?
I'm putting on a built-in grill?
Billet?
Billet grill?
Yep. Where's that?
I don't know. Right there?
Yep. Where's the grills we're putting on? Where's the ones we're putting on? Show them.
It's the bubble wrap.
You gonna take the bubble wrap off? Okay.
Get off here, bubble wrap.
There you go. Make sure you don't lose the screws. Take the screws out of there. Set them on the towel. There you go. Yep, you're going to knock that on the ground. Be careful. Pick it up. There we go.
You take off the plastic.
Yep.
Where do you start?
What color is it?
Black.
Of course. You know, polished crap on my car. Well, except for the wheels. Yeah. You get it?
Almost, maybe. Ah, there we go.
Pretty fancy shirt you got on. What day is it?
St. Patrick's.
Don't you set that down before you drop it.
Okay.
You notice I put towels down because I knew this kid would just scratch the hell out of this grill if I didn't. Even though he is a decent helper. There you go.
Put that.
You'll throw it in the trash.
But I want to step on the bubble wrap.
Well, you can save that bubble wrap.
Yay!
You step on it. Just go throw that other one in the trash. And here's the so-called instructions. These are, of course, eBay. We'll see exactly how well the fitment is. You want me to do the big one, or you want me to do the big one? All right.
Where's the rip on it?
Just rip it. There's a hole already over here.
But they're both the same thing, though.
Yeah, but one goes on the upper grill and one goes on the lower grill.
Okay, this one's the upper grill.
Yep.
Okay. Die, bubble wrap. Sorry if I hit you.
Okay. You take that wrapping off too.
Where's the...
You can rip it anywhere. It's just plastic. Once you get a hole in it, there you go. There you go. Treat it like Christmas.
Yay, Christmas!
This is your dad's Christmas.
Okay. Daddy's Christmas!
Pretty weak. You need to work on your muscles. Here. Got it?
Yeah.
I will say they are wrapped very well from the company I got off eBay. Double wrap, plastic, And then the
Grille thingy.
bubble wrap. And there's the little screw brackets right there. Right in there. Hard to see. But there's only 4 on this one. Looks like there's 2 on that one.
Okay.
Got it?
It's a big claw.
Okay.
There you go. Now you can.
All right.
While I pop
There they
it.
are. Now we got to take the emblems off, which is supposed to be fairly easy. They just pop right off with a screwdriver. So we're going to set up the camera on the tripod
Yay!
and do that part.
Pop it.
All right, we're going to get these emblems off. See how easy that is. It's supposed to be pretty easy. Screwdriver right behind there. Oh yeah. Super easy. Now the SS one's supposed to come off just the same way.
Hello. Bop, bop.
This one looks like it's actually double-sided too. That one actually, that one had double-sided tape, so it's all right. At least it's off. It's not going to be underneath it. All right. Ready?
Yeah. Which one are we doing first?
We're doing the big one first. Now, this one's got four of those L brackets or hooks, like Asher just said. 2 washers, probably for an emblem.
Screws.
Have your 4 screw attachments. Of course, 4 screws. And 2 nuts. Probably again for the emblem, but there's no screws for the emblem. Imagine that. Good old eBay. Huh. That is pretty funny though. That would go right on there if you wanted it to. I don't think I will do that. I don't think it would look good, personally.
Dad's probably gonna get spray paint his car black.
Not gonna happen. Now, one thing is, you have 2 different size bars. Got that one there. And that one there. One's just a little bit shorter. As you can see, these clips right there for the screws. Hopefully this is in focus. I can't really tell. It's dark in the garage. These little clips have got to go on the end of the rod. You got to make sure you put them the right way, of course. Anybody with a little bit of mechanical ingenuity knows that. That way the screw will bite to it. You just slip that clip over the edge a little bit and kind of bend it as you go. Line up the hole. There you are. Alright, let's get this one on. Pretty sure the short ones are going to go on the top, the long ones on the bottom. Come on, over here. First thing I'm going to do, try that side.
Wait, you don't even have to take off the back one?
Make sure that these holes.
Oh, my eyes. I'm gonna be using this and these.
Okay, one thing I did notice is I've crimped that down so it'll fit around that grill. That's how wide it is. So you can just take a big pair of pliers, crimp that down, and it'll literally sit right where you need it to sit. That way you can put it in there, put the screws in, and not worry about it falling off the backside. Alright, now you can see we've got these in place. Just one little grill set over from the turn light.
Hey.
Both sides. Should be pretty well set. We will see how easily this goes. Alright. Top one's in.
It scratched our car.
One thing I would definitely say, if you put one in, I would take these bars to a grinder, probably an angle grinder with a flap wheel on it, and take the edge off, probably about a 1/4 inch, if that, maybe an 1/8. Because I mean, fitment is super tight. Didn't realize that until it was too late. So that's scratched. Not too bad.
Yeah, it scratched your car.
We can deal with that.
Nobody will see it.
No, we'll just a little touch-up paint on it. Be all right.
We'll touch a black paint.
But
Now we have to put in this.
now we will work on the bottom.
This piece.
Which piece?
This piece.
All right.
The bottom.
Now, on that lower grill, move out of the way, bud.
Okay.
What we have instead of those angle pieces are these little flat pieces. And again, we have these dudes that are going to have to go over those and slide into it. Asher, get our little tool we've been using. The pick.
Oh, the piggy. I'm gonna put this down.
That'd be a good idea. Show them our pick.
It's stuck.
Now, one thing that came in real handy.
Hello.
What's that, dude? Move your hand. You can't really see it.
Okay.
See how that's got to move it that way. There you go. Down, down, down. You can't see it here.
You want
That pick that I have, just an old screwdriver that I've used a million times. Let me tell you, that thing right there has come in handy. But basically, we had the grill like this. We slid this in here like so, went behind that angled piece, pulled back on it, and held it in spot while we put the screws in. That way the hook pieces on the top grill didn't fall back. Just a little bit of FYI. If you can make one of those, do it. It saved me more times, I don't know, on all kinds of projects. Just an old screwdriver. Get a little bit of a angle on it. Curve. Alright, we're going to do the next what piece. We did on this lower Phantom is here's our tabs. And we'll put them in there sideways like that. And then we put our tool through here. We'll be able to spin it that way. I don't know if I caught that. Let's see. We put our tool through. We'll be able to spin it. Not down far enough. There we go, like that. We'll be able to hold it like this as we're screwing it in from the front. And there she is. Finished product. Looks pretty badass. Next thing we got to do is get a new lower valance where a possum ran out in front of me. Good old Kansas roads. This is a daily driver.
Wow, these are a few.
There she is.
Newly improved.